course of action. The only logical solution that can be determined from this incident is as follows. Terminate Coach Bud Miller's contract. The result of the incident, in which a minor was physically harmed by a teacher, can only result in immediate termination. Non-renewal of the principal's contract. When reviewing the facts of the case, the principal failed to act on numerous complaints due to the close personal friendship with the coach. The lack of administrative presence on campus has led to a culture of over-aggressive behavior. This, in turn, has led to a lack of trust and confidence in the principal. Review of performance for assistant superintendent. 2 assistant superintendents are assigned to the campuses within the district. Their job is to direct the principals and oversee daily implementation of policy. The assistant superintendent assigned to the campus will be under review for the neglect of supervisory duties. The assistant superintendent should be aware of all aspects that occur on the campus and have a good rapport with teachers and parents.